Yep. I don't even know how to act on camera anymore. Hey guys, it's been quite a while. I've been enjoying just not doing videos for a good while. Life changed a lot. I mean, everybody knows, like, life is lifing. Guys, I'm still the same dork you guys have known since, I don't know, since I've had my other car. By the way, I still have my SI. It's right here. I didn't bring my other camera stand, so we're just using the one that I have for my GoPro. So I guess in the meantime, we'll put a picture of the car right here. Okay, so I think the last video I did was last year in, I don't even remember if I'm being honest. Damn, 210 days ago. That's a long time ago. Guys, I've been working a lot now. I'm still at the same job. I actually got a promotion. So last year when I got my appendix taken out, we were in the process of getting a promotion for me, pretty much moving up, obviously, up the ladder. I got into management again, so now I am one of the food and beverage managers of where I'm at, especially at a country club, which means I'm there a lot. Not as much as the other gigs that I used to do, but it's awesome. And I don't look like this at work, just so you know. Your boy looks like that. Like, look at this, dude. I'm a completely different person at work. Now, because it's salary, all my time either goes to work, and when I get home, I'm just with the wife and with Leia. You know, Leia's almost 2 years old. She's gonna turn 2 in April. Time flew, man. It flew, and I wouldn't change anything in the world for it. Also, I have something else. The car is officially mine. Within the last 6-8 months that I've been MIA, I've just been grinding and saving up money, and I pretty much just paid the car off 2 weeks ago. I've just been chilling and I've been sitting on it, and I'm just like, this feels nice knowing that the next payment, when the car is due, it's done. So I also had to pay for my surgery. That was also a ball buster. But regardless, like, once I recovered from the surgery, I officially got into management again. It's also really cold right now because it's been raining a lot in California. I didn't think this through. I've been trying to get this out for a while now, but it's either raining, because my only days off are Mondays and Wednesdays. So, I just want to say hello, and everything's great. I wouldn't be in the position where I'm at right now without the support of my wife and my family, and obviously work, because I've just been paying attention and paying more effort into my career in the hospitality industry. I've been doing it since I've been 18. I'm 32. So the last 14 years I've been doing this, and I've done it before when I was at the hotel back when I had my 8th gen, but it just left a bad taste in my mouth, and I was just like, I don't want to do management again. Then where I'm at right now, everything just fell into place. So it's been a cool journey. I say, like, if I'm not gonna make another video, I'm still gonna try to make videos, guys. I actually have a list of stuff that I want to get done to the car, that now that I don't have the car payment, I shouldn't have an issue doing them. But yeah, I won't go too much into details with that. Just little things that we're looking into. Why am I putting more money into this car? Honestly, guys, I really like the car. There's nothing wrong with it. And ironically, I'm about to hit 100,000 miles on this car. So I might as well just see where the car will take me and see what's up with it. So definitely need to hit up E-Man so I can do another maintenance routine, I guess is what I would call it. Stuff that I just want to make sure I can prolong the engine of the vehicle. So it would be cool. Looking into getting like a little daily. Ironic how this is like the daily that I've been driving for like the last 4 or 5 years, but I kind of want to get something else, you know, while I still keep this one, something that's easy to like maintain or work on. It's been fun. It's been cool just chilling and not worrying about having to make any content, as weird as that sounds. Just feel like I'm not trying to say I feel like I owe you guys an explanation, but kind of miss doing it. I enjoyed not doing it, but I miss doing it, if that makes sense. I mean, and again, the reason why I haven't had any of the videos is because of my schedule. I'm off Mondays and Wednesdays, so unless I request a specific day off to go do a car review with someone and or a different type of video that may or may not be a banger or it may be a bust, it's me taking a risk and taking time off so that I can do something. So I don't know. I just want to keep these fairly short and simple. It's been a long time since I've done another video, so I feel like I'm out of my element with this, if that makes sense. I'm gonna try to get back into it. My wife actually wants me to do more videos. I want to do more videos. I might have to get creative and see what I can do. Definitely looking into getting a couple more parts, cosmetic-wise, so that the car can be exactly where I need it to be. Yeah, I know this was a weird video, unexpected video, but everything's good. I'm happy, wife's happy. Life is lifing right now, and I'm just enjoying everything that's been going through. I don't know, PPG gears, bigger turbo. Oh, I also did sell my Caruse design duckbill. I'm sure you guys saw that in my Instagram, and I have this now. It's the Password JDM little lift. I don't even know what to call it anymore. Spoiler. I think it looks a little bit better than stock. It's lifting up a little bit, but looks good. It's also getting dark. It's supposed to rain again tonight. I'm gonna have to call it quits. So we'll continue this another day. How have you guys been? I didn't even get to ask you guys that. Hope you guys are good. Hope everybody's great. Happy Thanksgiving. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's. Happy birthday. I'm turning 33 in March. Oof, that sounds weird saying. Let's just see what happens. Peace. Are you recording? Can I have that? Come here. Hey, 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 hey. How did you reach that? Thank you.